Hi friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all well. So yeah, here we go. Today I'm here to make some special Goan fish curry rice. I got like this sea bass fish out here. Then I have basmati rice. Then I have curry masala and I have a Recheado masala here. This Recheado masala, I'm gonna do some fillet for this sea bass, and I'm gonna fill this masala inside, and I'm gonna show you guys so like how I'm gonna do it anyways. But like I'm just gonna give you some information before what I'm gonna do. So here we go. So like first I'm gonna wash this rice, friends. So as you see, my water is getting boiled. So now this is the time to add rice inside. So my rice is already washed, so I'm gonna add rice in the water. Once you put the rice in the water, give a nice stir so the rice can be everywhere. And leave it for rice to get cooked. Looking at this rice, it looks like need to keep another 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna strain the water. But before strain the water, I'm gonna add salt. It looks like my rice is already cooked, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to put the flame down a little bit. Now this should leave another 1 minute. Yeah. Alright guys, my rice is done. It's almost cooked. So it's time to strain the rice. So you need to strain the rice, take out all the water out and put it back into the same container so it stays hot. Here we go, my rice is ready. As I said, I'm doing Goan fish curry rice. So rice is already done. So now we're gonna look after the curry and then the fish. Keep watching and enjoy the video. Here we go friends. So time to make the curry. So my pan is already on. So I'm gonna put the gas on again. Once the pan is got a little bit hot, I'm gonna use this curry masala. This curry masala have all the ingredients inside what it can give like a proper authentic flavor of curry. So the recipe is already, as I told you, so it is in my description. So what curry is getting boiled. So I'm going to use a little bit more water. So I'm going to take all the curry masala as well, so the flavor is here. Alright friends, so once this curry is getting boiled, the curry masala is getting boiled, so I'm gonna add 1 chili. I have already slit the chilies in between. Here we go, as you can see. So I'm gonna put it inside in the curry just to give like a little spicy flavor. So now it's time to add fish on. So this is, I have a sea bass again here. So fish, you can use any fish, whatever you like. Anybody special for prawns, fish, depend, mackerel, whatever, like saltfish, depend what fish you guys are really want to have it. So the curry is boiled, so I'm gonna add fish inside. Now I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright friends, so this is my curry is already ready here. My rice is ready, my curry is ready. Now it's left, I'm gonna put the flame off. Wow, look at the flavor. Amazing. Alright friends, so now it's time to make the fish. So like I'm gonna use this Recheado masala in this to make this recipe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slit these fishes. I'm gonna make the pocket for the fish to put this masala inside, and there we go. Keep me watching how I'm gonna do it. If you like it, you can enjoy yourself too. First I'm gonna slit this fish from here. I'm gonna make a nice pocket inside next to the bone. Here we go. Alright, so same thing I'm gonna do another side as well. So both the pockets. Alright guys, as you see, like this, the bone in the middle and both the sides is a fillet. I'm gonna wash little bit this one now, and I'm gonna use little salt, and I'm gonna use this Recheado masala inside, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'm gonna same thing, I'm gonna do the other fish too. So I'm gonna wash this one and I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, I'm back. I washed this fish. Now it's time to sprinkle a little salt in these pockets. So it's gonna taste yummy. So I'm gonna put a little bit salt on top as well, just in case. It's time to open this Recheado masala. Let's see what is inside. Wow. I'm gonna flip this over. Look at this color. It's amazing. So this is the masala what I have removed it in a bowl. So now I'm gonna start filling the masala inside the fish. It's called Tsp Recheado. Last time we have done with a mackerel, so that was amazing as well. But I like to create like new things. The amount of masala you can use how much ever you want to. If you want too much masala, you can add more. Or if you can use sufficient, so like what is ready needed for the fish. It's all depend on the fish as well, how big it is. Sea bass is huge, bigger than mackerel. And I'm all done. So rest of the things I'm gonna just give a coating as well of this, so it's gonna be like more flavory. Alright guys, so it's time to add some semolina on it. So I'm gonna take this 3 bars from there with the masala. So then I'm gonna add in a semolina to give a coating with semolina. So I'm gonna coat with the semolina. Alright friends, my pan is on the gas, so it's time to turn on the gas. It's time to add oil. So this pan is already hot, so I'm gonna add the fish inside in the pan. This fish is huge big, so I'm going to add another one as well. Alright friends, so my fish is getting cooked now on one side. Look at the texture. Oh my god, this is amazing. So once you add fish inside, so I need to keep the flame a little bit lower, so otherwise you're gonna get burned in one side. Need to keep this fish at one side like nearly 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes we're gonna flip it over and need to be on the medium heat. So before turning over, I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. And now it's time to flip over. Look at the one. This is look amazing. Here we go, friends. So my fish is almost done. Look at the way how it made it. This is called Recheado sea bass. Especially, we are famous for Recheado mackerel, but this is something different. Hi friends, my Goan fish curry is ready here. Look at it, how amazing it is. This looks so delicious. Look at the fish, look at the texture. This is the Recheado masala. This looks so yummy. And it's gonna be very delicious, trust me. Please do like my video if you like it. And you know what you have to do. Keep watching my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.